Oh, it went off in August 2025. So I wasn't actually going to eat this, but I opened it by mistake. And now I've got to eat it. And I'm going to eat the whole tub. Because no one else is going to eat it. And it's going to go off. This is going to... You know what? I don't even... This is not something that I would choose, right? But this, mate, is nice. Right, let me warm it up. Sometimes I look at myself and I think, fucking hell, Janine, you should actually really make an effort when you come on TikTok. And then other times, I'm just like, nah, can't bothered. Right, so we're going to have some of this. Oh, it went off in August 2025. Darn it. Hold on. March 2027, and this one's already open. Just check it's got no mold in, because I've actually done that before. What else do you actually put in rice pudding? I feel like this is just like a childhood like jam and rice pudding. Do you know what I mean? Boy. Jam-a-rooney. How much? Like a good old dollop, yeah? Like we want like that. And then stir it round. Actually, should I have put that in? I feel like I shouldn't have now. I feel like I should have had it. I don't know what it is of ambrosia. Ambrosia? Something. Ambrosia. But it is. The custard is immense, and as I said, this is not something I choose, but... So I was trying to open the custard the other day, and I opened this. Fricker, that was hot. What have you eaten today, guys? If you haven't eaten something, let's have a little something. A bit of rice pudding. All right? Something is better than nothing, even if it's rice pudding. That was gross. Do you know that every time you swallow, you always look forward? Like, try and look. No one ever eats like that. No one I know eats like that. It's always like, look down. Fuck me, that's hot. What is that on my eye? On a scale on 1 to 10, how bad is this for you? I'm eating it at 7:45 at night. And I'm supposed to be making better choices. Do this every year. Every year. Oh well. Not too bad, surely. Right? Have a good evening.